Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I kind of want to do the last three videos of the week a little bit different. So today is going to be a layout structure of the channel because we've been getting a tremendous amount of new subscribers, which thank you, and thank you for joining us. So if you're new here, I'm going to give you a little one-over of how the channel is laid out. So the channel has evolved over the 3.5 years. We've kind of gone to a series of, once we get on a subject, we stay on that subject to its ending, and then we've kind of added some challenges and done a variety of things. So I've gotten several questions, so I just want to show you. So this is the layout that you guys should see, I think, when you log in. So there are some long format of the first about 80 or 90 videos, then what I call the getting started, the things that you need to know, because I was really trying to figure it out. Then here's the things that I want you to really understand. The episode series, the episode playlists. So those are grouped, well, they're supposed to be grouped, as you can see right here, 100, 101, 100, 99, 98. Can't believe I haven't been called out on that, but those are grouped in 100, and I think I like that the most, and I have a lot of views on it. The reason why I like it the most is because it wasn't my idea. That was one of the ideas that I got from one of an early on subscriber, and then I have them broken down in subject matters. So every video is categorized in episodes, groups of 100. Then they're also then cross-referenced in their subject matter. So early on we were kind of bouncing around. We might do a pie game, and then we may not do another pie game video for another, as you can see them jumping along. I do have them numbered so you can kind of understand. We jumped around, but they're all grouped together. And then you can go to the playlist section. I believe you can see this. I think this is, because it's hard for me to see the layout, but there are 73 playlists that I have. 8 of them are the groups of 100, and then I have Django. I have videos just dealing with dictionaries, condition statements. So if you struggle with condition statements, this playlist is for you. The library, the calendar module, Beautiful Soup, all those are put together. And what's another big one? itertools, that library is together. And anything having to do with math, I made that its own library, and then we did a lot with matplotlib. So I just wanted to take a second. We have had and the pandas, huge module, huge library. That has 42 videos in and of itself. So I just kind of wanted to take a minute, lay out the structure, because I know Python can be very overwhelming. Getting started on your own can be overwhelming. And the feedback that I've given this channel can be overwhelming because there are so many choices. But I did try to lay it down, or lay it out and structure it, because before you guys got here, this was much more disorganized. There were I think it was almost 200 playlists. I had them cross-reference a little too tightly. So got some feedback on that, spent about a week chopping these down. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, video requests, ideas for the channel, ideas for the structure of the channel, anything. Make sure you're checking out the Discord, and if you want to support the channel, jump over to Patreon. I would very much appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and hey, share. If you're in a class and you know it's still fall right now, if you know anybody who's going to be taking Python in the spring, share this with them. The whole idea of this is to make people's lives easier learning Python. I was doing it by myself, and I was all over the place. I want you to have one place to come to get everything that you need, where you can come back and be in micro videos. You just, boom, you search exactly what you want and then move on. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.